Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to fix the grey screen issue that you sometimes get on Discord. It doesn't happen often, but when it does it's really annoying. So all you actually have to do is press the Windows key or go down here and type in Task Manager. Once you've done that, click there. This box will pop up. All you need to do is find Discord, right click on it and end task. All you have to do then is hold Windows and R. You get this screen come up. Just type in percentage app data percentage. Press OK. And you'll get this screen come up. All you have to do is find Discord, right click it, press delete. Once you've done that, you can close this window and load Discord again. And it should say starting up as normal. And you're done. All you have to do once you're here is log back in and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching. If you are new, please be sure to subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video and or if it helped, please leave a like. Thank you.